Good afternoon, everyone. I am up here. I took the afternoon off. Actually, I took most of the day off, but I had some things I had to take care of in town, and then I had to do some things in the field. I just got off the phone with Anderson because this window right here has a little bow at the top. This casement, I don't believe, is flat. It appears that the top sticks out. I mean, you can actually see it when you get up above it. You can see that the top sticks out farther than the bottom, which is very odd. But Anderson was fantastic. They got me in a little video session and they took a look at everything, asked me a bunch of questions. We did some troubleshooting, and they're replacing that casement, and it'll be here in about 2 weeks. So I don't know how you could possibly have better customer service than that. That sounds pretty good to me. And she's going to give me all the instructions that I need to replace that piece, and also is sending us some adjustment instructions in case I run into any other issues as far as the little minor adjustments go with it. But so far we're impressed with the windows. I've got to go ahead and get this flashed because I'm concerned about the rain that's going to be coming in tonight and tomorrow. David, somebody wants to talk to me about my car insurance. So I measure and I cut 2 pieces of flash for the top. One I cut about maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches longer than the other one. Whichever one is shorter I put on first, so that the other one goes out over top of it and extends a little bit past it. There we go. Well, I'm betting that this camera dies out in the next 5 or 10 minutes. The battery's on low. I'm gonna go ahead and skip tape the top of this one, skip tape the very back window, put my tools away and go home. It's gonna rain tomorrow. We'll be back this weekend. See you then. Welcome. As you can tell, it's a little cold up here. Really hoping to start getting some of these windows in here and getting this room locked in. I've got 3 windows here that I can do without having to do any carpentry. We're gonna do that one, this one over here to my left, and then I think we're gonna probably do the bathroom window as well. Well, we were hoping that the sun was going to come out today. And you can see it's a little clear over here to our left. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like that's going to happen. And as you can see, coming across the mountain, that's snow. Those are clouds of snow rolling at us. So it looks like we're about to get hit a little bit. Fortunately, it's not really cold enough for it to stick. It's just going to be uncomfortable and a little bit miserable. Now, I've said before, this mountain's kind of got its own weather pattern. You never really know what you're going to get. So yesterday there was no snow in the forecast. We woke up this morning and it was snowing. So here we are. I may not succeed in getting this window in today. Yeah, here we go. And yeah, it's on. It's inconvenient and it's going to be a real pain, but it sure is pretty. Well, the snow stopped, left us a little bit of a mess, frosted the mountain, made it real pretty. And we think that since we got about an hour of daylight left, we might be able to get this window in. So we're gonna push for it. And I'm gonna get the sill pan in here. Yeah, it's 4. Well, I'm gonna step outside and do it. Just measure. it does.
So what I was saying is the other windows that are picture windows are gonna sink in more.
I don't know. Do they have a profile sticking out?
I don't think so. We'll see.
Go up there and check them on the way out.
Well, it doesn't really matter. We'll find out when we put them in tomorrow. We could try to put them in tomorrow, maybe.
Well, the sun is setting, but it's already gone down behind the mountain, but we got 30 minutes till sunset. We're gonna go ahead and get things cleaned up. Temperatures already started to drop a little bit. Around here, once that sun starts to go down, it gets cold this time of year. So we're gonna go home, get fortified, come in here tomorrow, and try to make some more progress. We have one more double casement window that goes in the bathroom. And then we have these two windows right here. And those are not casement windows. Those are just picture windows. There's a double pane picture window. So there'll be two big squares of glass right there so we can look out on the mountain. We'll catch y'all tomorrow.